If you have a computer and an internet connection, then you can earn money. In this video, I'm going to show you typing websites to earn money. Also, I'll be showing you a much simpler way to make money with typing. This will really be useful for you. If this is what you like, let's get started. Go to freelancer.com. Sign up for an account, enter your email, password, and then click on join freelancer and then verify your email. Once you verify your email, you will see a dashboard similar like this. I have selected article writing and content writing as the skills. Now let's say you want to write for this company. Write something like, hello. Then click on paste bid. And you can also select sponsored, sealed, and highlight. And you have to pay 30 cents, 10 cents, and $2.90. If you select any of these, it will show your bid at the top. That means you will have more chance to get selected. Now for this video, let's say the topic is cat breeds. So what you do, you go to ChatGPT and make sure you have this AI PRM extension for ChatGPT installed. This human written 100% unique SEO optimized article. Click on that and enter keyword or title here. Cat breeds. And then just press enter. I have already generated this article. Now, remember, sometimes these articles will not be 100% unique. What you need to do is change some words and sentences to make this unique. The purpose of a tool like ChatGPT is to save you money. It helps you with the best article, and once you have your article ready, just submit it to Freelancer. And that's it. And you can also use a site like Fiverr. You can sell these articles here. Just create a seller account and start applying to similar jobs. The process is similar to freelancer.com. That's it for this quick video. If you have any questions, let me know.